Hello everyone, in front of me is a brand new 2023 Ford Bronco Outer Banks equipped with the dual top option from the factory, meaning that it's going to come equipped and delivered with the molded and color hardtop as you see here, but inside the vehicle is actually the factory soft top. So if you do select the dual top option when ordering your Ford Bronco, it's going to come exactly like this. So let's take a quick look here inside the vehicle, and as you see here, your rear cargo area and then your second row is completely filled up with that second top, or with the soft top. As you see here, it is nicely secured down. It's sitting on a foam piece that is designed to hold the soft top, and then it is anchored down using the anchor points here in the rear, and then that continues over towards the front to make sure that the soft top is secure and does not move around during transportation, and then when you drive it back home. As you see here, there is a cardboard box just underneath there, and that's going to include all of your instructions and then your other mounting accessories that you're going to need to switch over from the hardtop to the soft top, including some different panels that you need to actually replace to make sure that the soft top will fit on this Bronco, and then replace it with your hardtop. So just wanted to quickly show everyone what it looks like when you actually get the vehicle delivered. As you see here, there's more of that ratchet strap holding it down and that cardboard box, but it fits almost perfectly back here. I'm actually really surprised that they were able to cram that back here, but just wanted to show you guys what it would look like if you in fact ordered that dual top option and then had the vehicle delivered to you. So if you have any questions about a Ford Bronco, if you'd like to order one, the order banks are still open, or if you'd like to purchase this one that you see here in front of you, it is available for sale here at Hoffman Ford. Give us a call at 717-657-1600. Shop online at hoffmanford.com, or stop by our showroom at 5200 Jonestown Road here in Harrisburg. Thank you.